Unveiling the enigmatic charms of the United States, a comprehensive look at 20 intriguing facts. The United States of America, a colossal expanse of diverse landscapes, rich cultural heritage, and influential historical milestones, encapsulates an intricate tapestry that defines its remarkable identity. From its expansive terrains to its profound impact on global affairs, let's unravel 20 captivating facts that characterize the enigmatic allure of the USA. 1. Geographical diversity, a mosaic of landscapes and climates. The USA stands as a testament to geographical diversity, boasting 50 states, each adorned with unique landscapes and climates. From the majestic Rockies in Colorado to the sun-kissed beaches of California, the nation showcases an array of terrains, making it a playground for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. 2. Vast size and geographical significance. Furthermore, the U.S.'s sheer magnitude ranks it as the third largest country globally, accommodating an incredible array of climates and ecosystems. It spans from the icy wilderness of Alaska to the tropical paradise of Hawaii, presenting a rich tapestry of natural wonders. 3. Historical landmarks, the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution. Embedded within the nation's history lies the core principles of the Declaration of Independence and the Constitution, pivotal documents shaping the nation's identity and governance. These foundational documents continue to serve as guiding lights for the country's progress and democratic principles. 4. The lunar landing and technological advancements. In a monumental moment, the U.S. achieved the remarkable feat of landing a man on the moon, marking a significant milestone in human space exploration and technological prowess. This awe-inspiring accomplishment echoed the nation's commitment to scientific innovation and exploration beyond Earth's boundaries. 5. Washington, D.C. and the federal structure. The distinctive position of Washington, D.C. as the nation's capital sets it apart as a federal district independent of the states. This structure reflects the unique governance framework that divides power between the federal government and individual states, a hallmark of the U.S. political system. 6. Cultural melting pot, a tapestry of diversity. The U.S. proudly stands as a melting pot of diverse cultures, shaped by a rich tapestry of influences from various corners of the globe. This amalgamation of cultures contributes to the nation's vibrant society, fostering a unique mosaic of traditions, languages, and customs. 7. Influence of sports and entertainment on American culture. Sports, notably baseball, are deeply ingrained in American culture, often referred to as the national pastime. Similarly, the entertainment industry, predominantly centered in Hollywood, is a global powerhouse shaping popular culture and artistic expressions worldwide. 8. The icon of liberty, the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, an iconic symbol of freedom and opportunity, stands proudly in New York Harbor. This monumental gift from France remains a beacon of hope and liberty for immigrants and visitors alike. 9. Economic prowess, global market influence. The United States houses one of the world's most dominant economies, wielding substantial influence in global markets and technological advancements. Its economic prowess stands as a driving force in shaping international trade and financial dynamics. 10. Thanksgiving traditions and natural marvels. Thanksgiving, a cherished American holiday, originated from the Pilgrims' celebration of their successful harvest. Concurrently, the country is blessed with awe-inspiring natural wonders such as the Grand Canyon, a geological masterpiece that continues to captivate visitors worldwide. 11. Culinary traditions, a fusion of flavors. While renowned for its fast food classics like the hamburger and hot dog, each region within the U.S. offers a unique culinary experience. This culinary diversity mirrors the country's rich cultural heritage and historical influences. 12. Emphasis on education and innovations in technology. The American education system places a significant emphasis on education as a catalyst for progress and innovation. This aligns with the nation's pivotal role in technological advancements, notably in Silicon Valley, a hub for groundbreaking discoveries and technological revolutions. 13. Political milestones and innovations in transportation. Throughout its history, the U.S. has witnessed transformative political milestones and revolutions in transportation. Notably, the Wright brothers' historic successful airplane flight in North Carolina marked a pivotal moment in the realm of transportation and innovation. 14. Artistic contributions and global influence of music genres. American artistic contributions and diverse music genres like jazz, blues, rock and roll, and hip-hop have left an indelible mark on global cultural trends. These genres have resonated worldwide, shaping the musical landscape and cultural expressions. 15. Social and civil rights movements, a path to progress. The U.S. has been the stage for significant social and civil rights movements, reflecting a continuous journey toward progress, equality, and societal change. 16. Landmarks and national symbols, pride and heritage. Distinct landmarks such as Mount Rushmore and the bald eagle as the national bird stand as proud symbols of the nation's heritage and history, preserving its cultural identity. 17. Global diplomatic role, influence on international affairs. Additionally, the United States plays a significant role in global diplomacy, wielding influence in international affairs and serving as a driving force in shaping global policies. 18. Technological revolution and entrepreneurial spirit. The nation's entrepreneurial spirit and innovation culture have led to groundbreaking technological revolutions, particularly in sectors like information technology, further cementing its position as a global innovation powerhouse. 19. Environmental conservation efforts, protecting natural resources. Efforts toward environmental conservation and preservation stand as a crucial focus, prompting initiatives to safeguard the nation's natural resources and maintain the beauty of its landscapes. 20. Challenges and resilience, navigating through adversities. Despite its successes, the U.S. faces social and political challenges, yet the nation's resilience and spirit enable it to confront obstacles, advocating for a more inclusive and equitable society. The United States emerges as a realm of boundless diversity, innovation, and historical significance. These 20 enthralling facts weave a narrative that unravels the multifaceted nature of the nation, depicting its global influence and dynamic role in shaping the future. Why is the U.S. so wealthy? The United States, often recognized as one of the wealthiest nations globally, possesses a multifaceted array of factors contributing to its economic prosperity. The reasons behind the country's wealth are intricate, ranging from historical foundations, economic policies, innovation, a strong entrepreneurial spirit, a diverse and resource-rich landscape, and global influence. Here is a comprehensive essay discussing the reasons why the U.S. is notably affluent. Historical foundations. The economic prosperity of the United States has its roots deeply embedded in historical events. The country's founding principles, laid out in the Constitution and the Declaration of Independence, established a framework for democratic governance and individual liberties. These principles fostered an environment conducive to economic growth, innovation, and entrepreneurial endeavors. Economic policies and capitalism. The U.S. has embraced capitalism and a free market economy where the forces of supply and demand predominantly determine prices, production, and distribution of goods and services. This system has encouraged competition, innovation, and a robust business environment, which in turn fuels economic growth. Innovation and technological advancements. Innovation has been a hallmark of the American economy. The country's investment in research and development, coupled with a robust system that encourages entrepreneurship, has led to groundbreaking advancements in various sectors, notably technology, healthcare, and manufacturing. Silicon Valley, a hub for tech innovation, exemplifies this spirit of groundbreaking discoveries and technological advancements. Entrepreneurial spirit. The U.S. fosters a culture that celebrates entrepreneurship, the ease of starting and growing a business, along with access to venture capital and a vast consumer market, encourages individuals to innovate, take risks, and start new enterprises. This entrepreneurial ecosystem has been instrumental in driving economic growth and job creation. Diverse and resource-rich landscape. The United States boasts a diverse and abundant landscape, offering a wealth of natural resources. From fertile farmlands to mineral-rich areas and vast energy resources, the country's natural endowments have provided a solid foundation for economic development and industrial growth. Global influence and trade. The U.S. holds significant global influence and is a major player in international trade. Its participation in global markets and its vast network of trade agreements facilitate the export of goods and services, contributing significantly to the country's economic wealth. Strong educational system. The country's emphasis on education has played a vital role in its economic success. The U.S. boasts world-renowned universities, research institutions, and a strong emphasis on skill development. This well-educated workforce fuels innovation and productivity across various industries. Infrastructure and investment. Infrastructure development and investment in transportation, communication, and technology have been pivotal in maintaining a competitive edge. The nation's network of roads, ports, telecommunications, and technological infrastructure has supported efficient business operations and facilitated economic growth. Rule of law and strong institutions. The United States has a robust legal system and strong institutional frameworks that safeguard property rights, uphold the rule of law, and enforce contracts. This stability and predictability have attracted investments, fostering economic growth and creating a conducive environment for business expansion. Cultural and demographic factors. The country's diversity, embracing a multitude of cultures and talents, has played a role in fostering innovation and creativity. The melting pot of diverse ideas and perspectives encourages new approaches and solutions in various industries, contributing to economic vibrancy. The economic wealth of the United States is a result of a multifaceted interplay of historical foundations. A business-friendly environment, innovation, investment in education and infrastructure, and a culture that celebrates entrepreneurship. These factors, when combined, have propelled the nation's economic success and established its position as one of the wealthiest countries globally. However, it is crucial to recognize that the wealth of the nation also comes with challenges, including income inequality, access to healthcare, and other socioeconomic disparities that require ongoing attention, and solutions for a more inclusive and equitable society. The power of U.S. dollars. The U.S. dollar wields an extraordinary influence on the global economy, serving as the world's primary reserve currency. Its power and prominence are derived from various key factors that contribute to its status and impact worldwide. Reserve currency status. The U.S. dollar holds the status of the world's primary reserve currency. This means that many central banks and international financial institutions hold significant portions of their reserves in U.S. dollars. This prominence grants the currency stability and international acceptance, allowing it to serve as a reliable medium of exchange for global trade and financial transactions. Strength and stability. The stability of the U.S. dollar is a major contributing factor to its power. Historically, the United States has maintained economic stability, low inflation rates, and a strong, well-regulated financial system. Investors and countries value the dollar for its stability and relative predictability, attracting global investments and reinforcing its dominance. Petrodollar dominance. The U.S. dollar's importance in the global oil trade has led to the term petrodollar. Oil contracts are primarily denominated in U.S. dollars, creating a strong global demand for the currency. As the world's largest consumer of oil, the United States' influence in this sector further strengthens the dollar's position. Global trade and investment. The widespread use of the U.S. dollar in international trade and investment solidifies its role in the global economy. Many commodities, international contracts, and financial instruments are denominated in U.S. dollars. This universality simplifies transactions and mitigates currency exchange risks, contributing to its convenience and wide acceptance. Backing of the U.S. economy. The robustness and size of the U.S. economy support the U.S. dollar's supremacy. The nation's gross domestic product, GDP, economic output, and diverse industries bolster confidence in the currency. Additionally, the backing of the world's largest military power further reinforces the dollar's dominance. Influence of financial markets. The U.S. dollar's preeminence is reinforced by the dominance of U.S. financial markets. Institutions like the New York Stock Exchange and NASDAQ, along with the U.S. bond market, serve as global benchmarks, attracting investors and amplifying the dollar's significance. Dollar as a safe haven. During times of global economic uncertainty or geopolitical instability, the U.S. dollar often serves as a safe haven currency. Investors seek refuge in the dollar due to its perceived stability, further elevating its value during turbulent times. International lending and borrowing. The U.S. dollar's prevalence in international lending and borrowing significantly impacts global finance. Many loans and debt agreements are issued in U.S. dollars, expanding its reach and reinforcing its importance in global financial systems. Impact on exchange rates. The U.S. dollar's movements heavily influence exchange rates across the globe. Fluctuations in its value can significantly impact international trade, affecting the cost of goods and services in various countries. Challenges and future trends. While the U.S. dollar holds considerable power, its dominance faces challenges, including the rise of other global currencies and the emergence of digital currencies. The evolution of international trade dynamics and geopolitical shifts could potentially alter the dollar's future influence. The U.S. dollar's power stems from its status as the primary reserve currency, backed by a stable economy, dominance in global trade and investments, and its widespread acceptance. Its influence on the global economy remains unparalleled, but ongoing shifts in global dynamics could reshape the future landscape of international currencies and financial systems.